enthusiasts. I'm out here with Nicholas at West Coast Racers. It's media day, and we are excited to share this ride with you. And Nicholas, you've been riding all morning. What do you think?
I think it's a fantastic coaster for Magic Mountain. It fits right in the middle of everything they've got in terms of thrills. It's great for the family. Awesome airtime. It's been over 10 times for me this morning so far.
I know. I said I was going to count, but I lost count.
Yeah.
I don't even know how many times I've ridden, but it's been such a fun morning. And it's a power-packed ride. It's surprising, but it's those interactions with the other train that is the top point for me. It makes it a really unique ride.
The racing is seamless. It is stunning. I think we're going to go.
We are.
Oh, God.
And we're racing the other trains.
We're going to win! We're going to win!
And then the first diversion!
Oh, we're upside down!
Here comes the second launch!
Second launch, baby!
And now it's the spaghetti ball!
Floor it, Elizabeth! Floor it! Faster! Faster! Faster!
We're gonna win! We can't let them win! We get to race throughout this course, and so can you imagine an ERT session with all our best ace friends out here?
I was telling some people earlier, this is an ERT coaster.
Oh, it's screaming for an ERT.
This is an ERT coaster.
So we're not done yet. Don't stop watching because we're just in the pit stop. When we get halfway through the ride, while we wait to get paired up with the next train, we get to check out West Coast Customs. It's a look into their body shop and a video from Ryan, the CEO, that tells us a little bit about what they do and shows us the rides that they make. And then we gear up and we start rolling out as the next train prepares to race us. And whew, what a ride.
You ready?
We are ready.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh.
So here comes the red train right next to us so that we can take them on and we'll see who wins. But the great thing is 30 train interactions between that you're crossing over each other, riding next to each other. It is very interactive. Probably the most interactive coaster I've ever seen between racing.
I would agree. I would agree.
And super smooth, powerful, and very quiet.
Yes, exactly. Yes. And the airtime was very surprising to me. I was surprised. Oh boy.
Here we go.
Here we go.
So straight back into the hot back. A second time.
High five! Oh, yeah.
And there they are.
Oh my gosh. Second launch.
Woo, here we go again.
Third launch. Fourth launch.
I guess it's third, right?
I don't know anymore.
It's confusing.
Woo!
And there's your little airtime hill. And zero-G roll with the stall. And we're back at the station. Thanks for riding with us, Ace. We hope you enjoyed it. And we'll come out Six Flags Magic Mountain. West Coast Racers is their newest edition, and it's a winner.
It's great for the whole family. All right. We did it. I think we won, didn't we?
I think we won.
I think so.
Definitely won.
I think so.